What's up everybody, Dreadful Desire here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the new stuff that I just got from Suntribe. Alright, first of all, I gotta calm it down. Deep breaths. If you haven't seen my review before on my Maya Amethyst Yoni Egg and just my experience dealing with the company Suntribe, I suggest you stop this video right now and go check it out. It also has a discount code so you guys can get you some percentage off on some goodies from Suntribe. So if you haven't heard about Suntribe, I suggest you Google it. Suntribe is all about self-love and self-awareness when it comes to the feminine body. I love the first products that I had from them, the Maya Amethyst Yoni. It was amazing. I told my whole experience in the earlier video, but in this video, they sent me some goodies. I don't know what's in there. They let me pick one thing. I was really excited because I was like, really? I can pick like one thing? Really, really excited. So this is the first company that actually sent me some goodies, just thanking me for telling them my overall experience. Because I am a tomboy, and I really am shy when it comes to talking more about the feminine body and how I feel emotionally and what helps me spiritually. So this was very awesome that they gave me the opportunity to do an unboxing for some more cool products that they're gonna throw in here. So enough of me talking, let me get right into it, all right? So they put it in this amazing box, really, really hype about it. As you can see, it has their website and their Instagram right there. So let's get it open. Alright, moment of truth. Deep breaths, deep breaths, deep breaths. It comes in really good tissue paper. That's a great sign. And they have their sticker up there, Suntribe. So they had it sealed with this amazing sticker, Suntribe. Really, really cool. Now some of the words that I'll be pronouncing, I might say them a little bit, off. So if I do mess these words up, I apologize to the company and I apologize to anybody who knows about this. I'm just giving you my experience, and I'm just overly excited to find this company. And they wrapped it up really well. Really, really well. I can't say that's awesome. So this is what I got. I got the Shakti Curve. Hopefully I pronounced that right. If I didn't, I'm sorry, you guys. As you can see, it is so gorgeous. Zoom in a little bit more before I reveal this in. So I chose this one out of their store. I thought it was phenomenal for the fact that I was already hype about my Yoni, my Maya Amethyst, because all their products are crystals. Let me repeat that. All their products are crystals. I think that's amazing right off the bat because there's only a small amount of companies who are actually starting to break into this niche market. To have crystallized products for your body, that's a whole nother level. Because first of all, they're not messing around with plastics or rubber or anything man-made, and you have to think about it mentally. If you are messing with personal products that are man-made and metal or plastic, that's going to damage your senses over time, which is why I never was a fan of it. I didn't understand why people like things like that, because I'm thinking right off the back, okay, it's man-made, and sooner or later it's got to be releasing some type of chemical or desensitizing your nerves. So when I saw these products where they're just crystals and vibrations and they're meant to heal you, every different crystal has different properties, different ways it can heal you, different chakras it can help heal, I was all for it. Now, this one right here, the Shakti Curve, as you can see, is rose quartz. Something else that I feel like is personalized and unique about the crystals that they have on their website. You're never gonna get the same crystal. If you deal with crystals and you dabble into it, you know for a fact, if you buy any type of crystal, the picture that they're showing you, you're not gonna get that exact same crystal, which I love because technically that means every crystal, every product that they give you is going to be personalized. Yours isn't going to look exactly the same as somebody else's, which makes me feel just amazing knowing that I have a crystal that's suited for me. Just looking at this right now is just gorgeous. It's phenomenal. So thank you so much, Suntribe, for this. Really excited about that. I'm sorry. I gotta reel it in. They have blogs. Love their blogs. They have different blogs. They talk about different concepts and they talk about Q&As. So if you're not really sure on how to use the Yoni wands or the eggs, or you have questions, they already have links in there. They have an email where you can message them any of your questions, any of your concerns. They respond so quickly. They're very generous. And let me just go back to the box, because I'm really excited. Y'all are just sweet. Y'all are so sweet. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh, they gave me the gua sha. Another rose quartz. This is actually for your face. This one's gorgeous, because like I told you before, they're going to be different than the pictures, which is gorgeous. So with this, you use it, they say the best way to work is inward and outward, and you slowly put a little bit of pressure. It's supposed to help with lines, any of the puffiness, any muscle tension that you have. It's supposed to ease it up, which is good for me because I have really bad allergies, and it does not help my location where it's like the weather is always changing. The weather can affect me as well as, pollen season. So this is a great thing to use for my face. They have amazing things talking about this paper that they brought me. It says internal pleasure. It says Suntribe products are made from natural crystal, which brings a sense of sacredness and magic to your playtime. This can be used, they can be used along during self-love time or shared experience with a partner. Crystals have perfect molecular structures that have positive effects on our electromagnetic fields when our physical and energetic bodies are relaxed and open. We're able to receive healing, peace, love, and all of life's pleasures. This is what their company stands for, and I stand behind them 333%, because 3 is my favorite number. They have a paper that talks about the love, just telling you what their products are for, how you take care of the crystals so you don't mess it up, because these are very expensive, and you don't want to buy these products and then you mess it up because you don't know how to take care of it. So kudos for that company for actually adding this in, because a lot of companies will be like, here you go, either look up reviews or find it out for yourself, deuces. So I appreciate they have this paper. They also talk about quality on the paper, saying that all Suntribe crystals are sourced and created from the highest quality crystals available, are body safe, made from the earth, and provided with love. Each egg is carved with intentions of love. Using our vigorous inspection guide, every single egg is inspected prior to the shipment in order to prevent any defects within the crystals. Suntribe eggs and wands are completely natural. They do not contain synthetic dyes or toxic sealants, which is great for me. You guys don't understand how great this is for me, for the fact that my body is so sensitive. It's a lot of different things that my body is sensitive to. That being said, I love this company because when I used their first product, it didn't break me out, it didn't give me any issues, and it was a natural approach to finding myself. So I'm really, really excited that they do put in more in the description. You can tell they take time in their company. They definitely put love in their company. I could truly say that, and I felt that from the first time I checked them out on Instagram. If you haven't seen them on Instagram, Suntribe Wellness, cool company. Oh, what's gonna be in this box? They told me when they were gonna send it to me that they were gonna give me the product that I chose, as well as some other goodies, and they did not let me down because, oh my goodness, what could this box be? Tell me what this box could be. Don't you tell me what I think it is. It is! I'm sorry, y'all. I know y'all don't see me. You don't see me hype like this, but like, this is freaking cool. They gave me the face roller that I seen on this bad bitty. So they done gave me facial products, and including the wand of my choice. This company is phenomenal, and I'm so surprised that a lot of people don't know about this company. I'll be the one to put them on the map, because their products are just so beautiful, and how they really they personalize it. Like, I've never felt this special from a company before. This company is phenomenal. Like, I really, heart goes out to them, like, fully. So they gave me the face roller. Actually, let me rewind that back so you guys can see how they packaged it. So this is the face roller that they gave me. I feel so fancy. Making me feel like a lady. Let me find out, Suntribe. Alright, so let me get you a little bit of zoom in for that so you can see. Because I noticed in a lot of review videos, they'll either have it sitting down, but I want you guys to see, the little roll action. They have two different sides, which is beautiful. I love it. These are cute, and I appreciate everything that they put in here for me. I can just feel the vibes radiating from the products, and I haven't even took the steps to wash them and get them all right so I can try them out while I'm telling you guys. But I definitely will be washing them out, and I'll do a separate video. This right here will just be an unboxing for Suntribe, and then I'll do another video of me showing you the 2 face products that they gave me. So that'll be part of Dreadful Beauty, so you guys can check that out, because it's so much for me to talk about for this company alone. I want to split it up so you can see the experience. So I just thank you, Suntribe. Like, seriously, like, I'm trying not to get emotional, but this is like the most kindest thing. This is the first company that ever reached out to me and told me thank you for reviews. The first company that actually sent me something that I wanted, and I couldn't ask for a better company because they're freaking amazing, and I love their crystals. Make sure you guys end up coming back, because I will be doing a Dreadful Beauty on my 2 facial products, so you guys can check it out for yourself and see if you want to purchase Bad Bitty. I highly recommend you purchase it. I'll be showing you in depth what it's for, how to use it correctly, how to take care of it, and all of that. So thank you so much, Suntribe. Love you guys. I cannot wait to see how you guys grow, because you guys have been growing already, and I just give all positivity and love to you guys. This is Dreadful Desire. You guys be safe and stay positive.